Hello there! Today we are going to make some special leaves for your flower cards. You need to take a strip of green paper, fold the edge and trim that off, and then you're going to put it in your crimper at a diagonal. Then you are going to trim this in the shape of a leaf, with your diagonals going up and to the left. Start your point down here, and when you open it up, you've got a cute leaf shape with some crimping in it. So then you can just put a little mono adhesive on the back, attach it to your card, and there you have it. Thanks for coming and visiting. Bye-bye.